Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 109. Simplify the expressions a squared times b to the power of negative 4 over a cubed r to the power of negative 2. First, we have to review the formula for the exponent property. And we know if we have a to the power of negative n, that you can flip it and make the power positive. Same thing for a over b to the power of negative n. You can just flip b on the top, a at the bottom. Now n become positive. Okay, you also have something look like this, a to the power of m over a to the power of n. This one is equal a to the power of m minus n, or it will be equal 1 over a to the power of n minus m. Be careful, okay? If you keep it on the top, so the exponent of the top part will be minus the exponent at the bottom, okay, and opposite. Okay, so we can solve these questions. So I don't want the negative power. I can flip it. Okay, this one will be equal what at the bottom? I bring it up top, and then I have my b to the power of negative 4. Okay, so all over, and then we have a square. See that from negative we go to positive, and we use this one, first step. Okay, you can distribute the 2 inside, or you can just simplify it first and then do the distribution later. Okay, so let's do the second step. I want to separate it. Okay, so I have my a cubed over a square times 1 over b to the power of negative 4. As you know, the fractions, if we have the multiplication between fractions, we will do top to top, bottom to bottom. So it's go back to whatever we have at the b, like at the first step right there. Okay, so a to the power of 3 times 1 is a cubed, right? A squared times b to the negative 4. And then don't forget the square. Okay, the second step, I just break it down. And then now I will apply this formula right here. Okay, for a, see that a, my m is 3 now. Okay, my m is 3 now. My n is 2. So I will have my a 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. See that a to the power of m over a to the power of n equal a to the power of m minus n. So 3 minus 2. Okay, multiply by, you see that I have the opposite, right? So now you can also have this one, a to the power of n equal 1 over a to the power of negative n. You see, it's similar as long as the exponent is opposite side. Okay, so in this case, I will write down at b to the power of 4. And of course, all square. Okay, so do you agree with me that 3 minus 2 equal 1? Okay, so I write on the side right here, 3 minus 2. that is equal a to the power of 1, and we know this one is a, right? Okay, so this one will be equal. I will erase this one and just write a. It's to the power of 1, right? So if you want, I can just write out here is a to the power of 1 so you don't forget when we distribute. Now we review one more formula. We have a to the power of m times b to the power of n r to the power of t. You're going to have it distribute the exponent by multiply the power together. So m times t times b to n times t. Okay, so 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8. But making sure we have a to the power of 2 times 1 is 2. Then we multiply by b to the power of 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, so our correct answer is a squared times b to the power of 8. And D is the correct answer. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.